Here I have ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to select your preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Then you can connect, then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on you, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up your device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you can set up date and time. Here you have Google services. I suggest you to disable these things and tap accept. Then you can set up screen protection, device protection or lock screen. But you can also skip this step and do this later in settings. Or just don't do this at all. And your device is ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.